Hi there, I'm Catherine Fleming and I'm standing in the 2024 YMCA Dream House. I'm with Green Fiber and we manufacture Sanctuary cellulose insulation. I'm standing in front of the wall that's going to be spray applied with our Sanctuary insulation. Because it's spray applied, it's going to fill every nook and cranny in this wall cavity. And we know that where air flows, sound follows. So by filling this cavity completely with our dense cellulose insulation, we're going to block airflow, creating a more comfortable interior of the home for this family. Plus we're going to block sound, reducing the power of sound by up to 60%, which will be wonderful for this family to have a quieter, more protected home. The home's attic will be insulated with Green Fiber Sanctuary insulation as well. Cellulose insulation will be blown into the attic floors, and what you're seeing here are the attic rulers to ensure that the proper thickness is applied so that the homeowner, the code officials, the builders and contractors all see that this home will meet code. And as we see over here, we've got an example of baffling in the attic, and this is going to ensure that the home has proper lower ventilation. So here's the crew applying Sanctuary cellulose insulation into the wall cavities on the upper floor. You can see that they're working with a nozzle that's blowing in the insulation, and on either side of the nozzle are two jet streams that are helping the insulation stick into the wall cavity. And then you've got this second hose, and that's the return hopper. And so we're going to recycle the excess material that is on the floor. That's going to head back into the truck and get mixed in with the new insulation that's in the hopper. And by doing that, you're creating the optimal moisture level. And then we've got the scrubber over on the left, and he's going to take that machine and roll along the walls and scrape off the excess material up and down all the wall cavities where Sanctuary has been sprayed in. And that's going to contribute to the recycled material that's going back into the hopper as well. So cellulose insulation is made up of 85% recycled paper, making it one of the most common insulation products that has the least embodied energy. So because we're insulating this home, the exterior walls and the attic, we're going to lock up 1.34 tons of carbon. So we're going to contribute to this family having a lower carbon footprint, being good to the environment.